guys, welcome back to another video. We're going to be planning out the week of December 7th to December 13th in my neutral life planner here. I do have a kit from Glam Planner. I don't remember if I bought this off of her site or if this was a mystery. Not really sure, can't remember, but originally plans this week to go to Chicago with my mom and sister for my mom's birthday, and I knew it was going to be cold there, so I just thought this was such a cute kit to use. And you know what? I'm just still going to use it because why the heck not? So let me go ahead and show you guys what the kit looks like here. These are the full boxes, and if you guys don't know, normally when I do buy kits from Glam Planner, they're normally deluxe, so I got everything. So these are the full boxes here. We have the Fashion Girls, which I just thought was so cute. The full box checklist, some alternative boxes, sideboard boxes, and then other boxes and labels here. The functional page that's included in all of her kits. Love the deco. Oh my gosh, the little snowflakes, I just thought it was so cute. So this is the deco script. Some more sidebar stickers, bill dues. Here is her icons and littles page, which has changed into her new format. Okay, let's go. Her headers and littles here. Ooh, here we go. Hiding over here in the other pile. And then the bottom washi and date covers here. And then some of the extras that I got here are some hollow foiled overlays. I have the glitter headers, the extra boxes, and then the double box seam. I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to use the double box. I actually may. I'm not sure. We'll see what happens as I go ahead to lay down this kit. So let me go ahead and lay down the base and we will get started. So as you see here, I'm actually showing you guys me putting down the base. So I thought I'd switch it up, do something a little different. Plus I really just love how this looks. Like this kit with this hollow foil is just giving me life. Just it just looks so good. So I had some like washi overlay foil in the hollow, and it's like almost like a star pattern, actually from Glam Planner that I bought. I have it in hollow and I had it in rose gold. So I took one of the hollow sheets and put it on that like ombre blue, pink, purple, green washi part of the bottom washi, and then I just did a lot of whiting out behind it because I knew since this kit is like, it has a lot of white space, that it would like really show through. So I just went and whited it all down, and now I'm doing the sidebar. It's kind of hard to really tell from here. You may get like little glimpses of it, but I did take in, I've had some like these little stars, excuse me, from Glam Planner in her foil releases that I just kind of put around the girl to, you know, jazz her up a little bit. And this time I decided to try to go from the bottom to the top and see if that would help like with my layout and making it a little bit more straight, because I feel like the over the weeks as I went down, it would always get really crooked. So I put that down. For this week, I tracked my hydration, of course, as well as doing YNAB, which is the electronic budget program that I use. And I mean, YNAB, it was a couple of days that I didn't spend, and then some days that I did, and I really didn't do that well as far as tracking. And then as far as me being hydrated, I was not hydrated at all this week. I've only checked off 3 boxes, so I really gotta get better with that. Then I used like the little washi strip that came in the kit to kind of separate out that, and then I used the 3-heart checklist from the kit and used the header spending, which I did end up spending money last week too, so bleh. And then I used that like fireplace full box. If I thought about it, I would have probably went back and put some foil on it. I may or may not, I'm not sure. And then I just used the December date from Letters to Apollo, flanked by some snowflakes from the kit. So I had to kind of like adjust it a little bit to make sure that the snowflake fit next to the Monday box. And then I ended up having to go back and whiting out behind the days of the week because you can see it through the thing. I wasn't even thinking about it, even though I did for the bottom. I don't know. Those circle numbers are from... These are from Sadie stickers. This was like a $2 Tuesday that I got, and it was perfect because I had exactly how the days of the week covers are from Glam Planner, but I didn't. I felt like it would have been too much since I knew I wanted to add overlays to the headers underneath of those. So I just used those, and I think it just gave it a nice little touch. And I didn't end up putting them on camera. I ended up doing it after. But the overlays over top of those headers, those glitter headers at the top of the pages, are from Cozy Paper Co. I did like a massive order from her a long time ago because she's not from the US. So I knew it would take like a long time, and I kind of just like went crazy and I bought like a bunch of stuff. But she offers like so many different foils, so I just bought all these like different overlays, and some are actually like full headers with the foil in it, and I just bought like a bunch of them so I can kind of like tie them in. When I was like looking around through my hollow stuff, I'm like, oh my gosh, like where I need more hollow, because there was a spread that I did in my last planner for my brother's birthday that I used hollow, and I used a lot of the hollow foil I had at that point. I'll actually link that video. That was actually a Glam planner kit as well. It was a glitch kit, and it was based off of Scooby-Doo. So here's the base all laid out, and I just did a little wiggle of the pages so you can see how it glitters and shines. And now on to the day by day. So on Monday I did have to work, so I kind of layered. I did it for the Monday and Wednesday for my days that I worked this week. I layered the like snowflake flag underneath the solid color flag, and end up going back later on and using one of the snowflakes on top of that. And then I have the work script that is from Lilac Luna Plans, and then I just marked off with an event label and the sneaker icon from the kit, because call bells was going off crazy that day. Oh my gosh. So I did put down one of the full boxes, and the overlays over top of the glitter headers over top of the full boxes are all from Station Stickers. Then I had gotten a new, message through my doctors and health systems, like medical thing that you can kind of go on, like make appointments and things of that sort. I got a message on there from my doctor, like saying, my lab work had came back fine, and I was just waiting for my pap smear results to come in. So then I used one of the circle, like rounded corner boxes from the kit, and I did a little, sticker surgery, and I cut down the Peyton and Grant sticker because I really missed my babe that day. I was missing him a lot. So I pretty much came in, I literally just like hung up on him. And then after that I had like a little bit of YouTube binge. So the YouTube binge sticker is from Lilac Luna Plans as well. And then I just used the bed early script out of the kit with the mask, because I did go to bed like relatively soon after that. So for Tuesday, my day, I had a day off, so I used a day off kit from Lilac Luna Plans as well. I used one of the rounded corner boxes from the kit for my morning coffee, and then morning coffee script, as well as the coffee cup is from the kit. Then I used a quarter box and I just put down that I fed my baby Spade, and that little paw print is actually from the same like hollow foil release that Glam Planner had. Then here you see I got my double box scene for Tuesday and Wednesday, and then I went to go pick up some mail from my mom's house, and I had like a lot of boxes, so I put that down. Now for Tuesday was supposed to be, I think, a video, and I completely forgot. So I ended up just putting planned videos for the week, even though I really didn't even do any planning, which is craziness. And then on the bottom of Tuesday, I used 2 of the washi strips and just overlaid that taco board sticker from Papershire, because you know, like we always do, we have Taco Tuesday, but this Tuesday he actually asked for nachos, so we had nachos that day. Let me try to catch up. Wednesday marked work the same way. I used one of the rounded corner boxes. They work late, but I put the note stick over there because I was out of there like ASAP. And that little like vine divider between that box and the full box is from Bean Sprout Paper Co. I was overworked that day, so I was highly annoyed, which is why I got out of there extra early. And this is a patent from Goldmine CoCo, rolling her eyes. It was trash night, so I did mark that down, and then I used a little flourish from Harriet Wright Designs to take up some of the space. So Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday were all days off. I was originally off on Wednesday too, but I switched so I didn't have to work so many days in a row since I was no longer going. But I was going to go to Chicago with my mom and sister, so I had all these days off. And at first I was going to like maybe pick up some time and stuff like that, but ultimately I said no. Let me try to do some things around the house or kind of just like chill out. So that's what I did. So I marked day off the same way on all these days again. I used one of the event labels and put showered and got dressed on Thursday. I got fed Spade again, and then I did a lot of filming. That day I had all my packages that I needed to haul, and I think I started filming this video that day. I can't remember. But I just put bulk film for YouTube, and that YouTube was actually like a YouTube binge sticker. I just cut off the binge. And then I put one of those little flourishes again, and then at the very bottom, even though I don't celebrate it, you know, I have and serve a multitude of patient populations who are different races, creed, religions, and have different belief systems. So I wanted to just mark it down. So I marked it down, and that script, Hanukkah Begins, is from Bean Sprout Paper Co. as well. So what I ended up doing is putting the double box on Friday and Saturday, because Friday was my mom's birthday and then Saturday was my niece's birthday. And what I plan to do, if you guys saw, I already kind of put it down. I did a half box, both for each of them, with one of the patents with the balloons. I put happy birthday. I just didn't completely put my niece's name to not put her stuff all out there. And then I'm going to go back and get pictures of each of them and mark it in here so I can kind of use it almost like a peekaboo thing. So then for Friday, I put TGIF. That script is from Lemon and Honey Studio, which is on Etsy. I did recently haul that. Not too recent, but recent enough. Then I also updated my budget, put down the full box, and then I did do some more filming on Friday. One of those being was I had my Sadie Stickers advent calendar, and I knew I did not want to open everything on the same day. So I kind of put like an introductory video, and I'll link it here, explaining what my plan was. So guys, make sure you tune in, make sure you watch that video, and make sure you go follow me on Instagram so you can see me doing all the unboxings. And then I use another one of those flourishes from Harriet Wright Designs, and then I use a patent study sticker and put down study schedule, because this week that we're in now, I was supposed to be doing my GRE. However, I have now rescheduled it again, so I'm definitely taking it next time because I'm not paying any more money to reschedule. Like, that's enough. It's enough. But I planned on coming up with a study schedule. But since I've now rescheduled it for the final time, I am going to actually come up with a study schedule. If you guys want to see me plan it out, make sure you give me a like on this video and leave me a comment below. So for Saturday, back underneath the double box, I used one of the hanger stickers from Crafts by Thaowie because I wanted to kind of start fixing up start cleaning up my dressing room. That was the only room I really didn't complete on my week vacation from work. I used another one of the flourishes after the box, and then I started my hair. So I used the hair dryer icon from the kit and put hair time. That to-do sticker is from Goldmine CoCo, and again, I was supposed to study, but spoiler alert, I did not. I did some laundry that day. I did put down the box to paint my nails, but did not do that as well. And then my mom, her friend and some other like friends of theirs kind of all got together and just kind of like celebrated with her. So she called all of her children on a house party so we could sing happy birthday to her, which was so funny, and I screen recorded. It was quite hilarious. Then on to Sunday, I did mark down for breakfast. I usually like do a big breakfast, but I just didn't feel like it that day, so we had cream of wheat, and it was delicious. And then I used one of the planner carts from Papershire and Organize Your Crap sticker from Goldmine CoCo as well, because Lord knows I needed to do it. Now, my hopes was that on Sunday I was going to come home and, I was going to be home. That was my thought, and open up the first day. But, we ended up doing a run, and the run ended up turning into a thing where we didn't come home until like 11 o'clock. So, if you guys seen my Instagram today, I did go ahead and put those up as well as for Goldmine CoCo, because those are my 2 advent calendars that I got. And then I put down another one of those little flourishes from Bean Sprout Paper Co. And then I put down a box with the YouTube sticker. And I don't think I said it earlier. It's from Pretty Pink Co. for my Plan With Me, which was supposed to be this one. However, spoiler alert, you're seeing it right now. So it's just been crazy. So then I went back here and I put down the weekend banner at the bottom, and I'm putting all of the snowflakes and the dots across the top. I just love like how that looks. It's just so pretty. I really love this spread. Really, really love this spread. I do thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Make sure you give me a like and comment below if you loved it too. Tell me what was your favorite part. I personally I love it overall, but I love the foil. Oh, I love the foil. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure your bell notifications is turned on if you want to see more of what I got to come out. And follow me on Instagram so you can see me unboxing each of my advent calendars. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.